Today, I'll walk you through how to get directions with the Google Maps app, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to navigate to your desired location using Google Maps so you can find your way with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point for accessing the Google Maps app. Simply type in google.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the Apps icon. Click on it to see a list of Google applications available to you. This is where you can find Google Maps. Next, click on the Maps icon. This will take you directly to the Google Maps interface. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary based on updates or your device. Now that you're on Google Maps, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Click on it to prepare for entering your destination. This is where you will input the locations for your journey. Think of it as setting the coordinates for your adventure. After that, hover over to the directions icon, which looks like a blue arrow. Click on it to start the process of getting directions. This is your gateway to navigating from point A to point B. Now it's time to enter the location of your starting point, or point A. Type in the address or name of the place you want to start from. Once you've entered that, hit enter or click on the search icon to confirm your selection. Next, you'll need to enter the location of your destination, or point B. Just like before, type in the address or name of the place you want to go to and confirm it. Google Maps will then calculate the best route for you. Think of it as your personal GPS guiding you along the way. Once you have both points entered, Google Maps will display the route options available to you. You can choose your preferred mode of transportation, whether it be driving, walking, or public transit. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get directions with the Google Maps app. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.